Yeah, I'm discuss very important topic that is called how to create particular website cpanel using web hosting manager. So first of all, select your website, log in for web hosting manager, select your login. In this, any account will be create. Select option call is create new account. Just scroll down. What are the previous details will be there? Just remove it. Add the website link. Select your username. Username you can select your wish. This will be select here. Selecting for username. Click new. So what are the password you're creating for? They will be using for strong password, one capital letter, one small letter, special character, and the numeric. So I'm creating here. So it is the strong password. 80 plus, this all will be strong password. Just we can give by recovery password. So anytime you can forget the password, you can using recovery password will be help. And after that, you can select your specific package. Here will be called automatic package, means unlimited space and unlimited bandwidth. If you go for limited space, set by the manual option. Everything will be limited. Space, bandwidth, and email. So I'm creating account totally unlimited. Select it. Every option will be common. Don't select any options. After that, select automatically detect configuration. Click for create. Exactly, the option will be created by within a 1 minute of time. So they will be create here. When creating cpanel, the most important will be three options: username and password, and select your package. This will be three very important, particular created by the cpanel. Just wait for a minute. Now after creating cpanel, they can show for go to cpanel. Finally, we can access by the cpanel. Cpanel main using for storage of space and database purpose and domain integration, email account, and SSL activation, and coming to the free website design purpose and developer using for script work. This is called using for cpanel. So any kind of developers to make the site using for cpanel access. So this is called tutorial for how to create a cpanel using web hosting manager. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.